Have you ever wondered what the future of science and technology might look like? Well, sit tight, because today, we're embarking on a journey through time and innovation. We're here to explore the latest scientific breakthroughs that have been shaping the world as we know it, and are bound to mold our future in ways we can only imagine. From artificial intelligence to genetic engineering, from quantum computing to sustainable energy solutions, we're living in an era where fiction is rapidly becoming fact. Each of these groundbreaking innovations holds the power to revolutionize our lives, our societies, and our planet. In our journey today, we'll be exploring these innovations in chronological order. We'll start from the most recent breakthroughs, those that are fresh off the lab bench, and work our way back, peeling back the layers of scientific progress. It's going to be a thrilling ride, so buckle up. So let's dive into the future, starting with the most recent breakthroughs. Scene script. Imagine a computer that could process information faster than anything we've ever seen. Well, it's not just a dream anymore. Let's take a moment to appreciate the wonder that is quantum computing. It's not just the next step in computers, it's a gigantic leap into the future. For decades, we've been trapped in the binary world of ones and zeros, but quantum computing breaks those chains, introducing a world where a bit can be both a 1 and a 0 simultaneously. This is the quantum bit, or qubit, a cornerstone of quantum computing. Quantum computing is like having a superpower. It's about harnessing the strange laws of quantum mechanics to process information in ways that traditional computers can't. It's like going from a horse-drawn carriage to a Ferrari overnight. Imagine, if you will, the possibilities. What if we could predict weather patterns with pinpoint accuracy, saving lives and preventing billions in property damage? Or what if we could simulate the human brain, opening up new frontiers in neuroscience and mental health? These are not science fiction fantasies, but potential realities in a world powered by quantum computers. Medical research, cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, these fields and more stand on the brink of a revolution. With quantum computing, we can handle complex calculations and large data sets like never before. It's a game changer, a paradigm shift. Already, tech giants like IBM and Google are investing heavily in quantum computing, racing to unlock its full potential. Recently, Google's quantum computer, Sycamore, achieved quantum supremacy by performing a calculation in just 200 seconds that would take the world's fastest supercomputer 10,000 years. But with great power comes great responsibility. There are ethical and security implications that we must consider as we venture into this brave new world. We must ensure that this technology is used for the betterment of society, not to its detriment. And this is just the beginning. Quantum computing is paving the way for a new era in technology. Artificial intelligence, once a concept of science fiction, is now a reality that's transforming our world. It's the invisible hand that's orchestrating a symphony of change and innovation. It's in your smartphone, it's powering your search engine, it's analyzing big data and making predictions that were once thought impossible. Let's take a moment to appreciate the progress we've made. We've gone from simple machine learning algorithms to deep learning networks that can mimic the neural networks of the human brain. We've created virtual assistants that can understand our speech, self-driving cars that can navigate our roads, and predictive algorithms that can diagnose diseases with a level of accuracy that rivals the most seasoned doctors. But AI isn't just about mimicking human intelligence. It's also about augmenting it, enhancing it, and taking it to places we never thought possible. It's about creating new forms of art, new ways of doing business, and new ways of understanding our world. Consider the world of finance, where AI is used to analyze market trends and make investment decisions. Or the field of healthcare, where AI is used to predict disease outbreaks and develop new treatments. Or the realm of entertainment, where AI is used to create immersive virtual realities and generate personalized content. But what does this mean for our future? Well, some predict a utopia where AI frees us from mundane tasks and allows us to focus on creative and intellectual pursuits. Others warn of a dystopia where AI outpaces human intelligence and takes control of our world. There's no denying that AI is a double-edged sword. On one hand, it promises to solve some of our most pressing problems. On the other hand, it raises new ethical and philosophical questions about the nature of intelligence and the role of machines in our society. But regardless of where you stand on the AI debate, one thing is clear. We're on the cusp of a new era. An era where artificial intelligence is no longer a concept of science fiction, but a reality that's transforming every aspect of our lives. As we continue to advance in AI, we're setting the stage for a future where machines could potentially outsmart us. What if we could edit our DNA like a text document? Picture this. A world where diseases are as easily corrected as spelling mistakes, where our genetic code can be tweaked and tailored to our liking. This isn't a science fiction novel, but the promising reality of genomics. The star of this genetic revolution is a technology known as CRISPR, an acronym that stands for Clustered Regularly Interspaced Short Palindromic Repeats. Quite a mouthful, isn't it? But don't let that intimidate you. In essence, CRISPR is a tool that allows scientists to edit genes with unprecedented precision, almost like using a pair of molecular scissors to cut and paste DNA. CRISPR has already made waves in the scientific community, with breakthroughs in genetic disease research and agriculture. By pinpointing and altering specific genes, we've been able to create crops that are more resistant to pests and environmental changes. In the realm of health, CRISPR has been used to correct genetic mutations in lab-grown human cells, a significant step towards treating genetic diseases at their root cause. But the potential of CRISPR extends far beyond these initial applications. Imagine a future where we could eliminate hereditary diseases from our genetic lineage, or engineer our bodies to be more resistant to viruses and diseases. We could potentially increase our lifespan, reduce our susceptibility to age-related ailments, and even enhance our physical and cognitive abilities. Of course, such a powerful tool comes with ethical considerations. The thought of designer babies and genetically modified humans is a controversial topic that sparks heated debates. How far should we go in editing our own biology? Who gets to decide which traits are desirable and which are not? As we grapple with these questions, the science continues to advance. We're standing on the precipice of a new era in human history, where our own genetic blueprint is within our control. As we unlock the secrets of our DNA, we're on the verge of stepping into a future where disease could be a thing of the past. These groundbreaking innovations are not just changing the way we live, but also how we perceive our future. That's right, we've taken a journey through the latest scientific marvels that are redefining our world as we know it. We started off by questioning the fine line between fact and fiction, and as it turns out, what once seemed like a distant dream is now a tangible reality. From quantum computers that can solve complex problems in a blink of an eye, to the advent of nanotechnology, we're witnessing the dawn of a new era. Then we leaped into the future with a closer look at artificial intelligence. This is not just about machines performing tasks, it's about creating a new form of intelligence that can learn, adapt, and even create. With AI making strides in healthcare, finance, and even art, it's clear that this technology is set to revolutionize every aspect of our lives. And who could forget our dive into the blueprint of life, the human genome? With breakthroughs in gene editing technologies like CRISPR, we're not just understanding our genetic makeup better, but we're also equipped to modify it. This could mean the end of inherited diseases, longer lifespans, and even the creation of designer babies. But what do these advancements mean for our future? Well, they're not just changing the game, they're creating an entirely new one. They promise a future where diseases are preventable, where machines understand and cater to our needs, and where we have the power to shape our own evolution. However, they also pose ethical, moral, and societal challenges that we must face head-on. As we continue to push the boundaries of science and technology, we're not just shaping our future, we're redefining it. Because at the end of the day, science isn't just about discovery, it's about creating a world that was once beyond our wildest dreams.